Hi. We all have our worst moments, our worst times, and the worst of all, that shattering of everything. When we do not know who we are, when we do not know what we are going to do, when we feel like we have hit the rock bottom, but still we show up every single day. We get up from the bed, we drink water, we do things that we do not want to do, but we forgot to do one thing that we need to do. That is to consider the things that we are doing as an achievement, even in that state of mind. It is an achievement. Realizing that you have an emotional or mental trauma is an achievement. We have lots of emotions that go unnoticed, and to analyze which emotion is coming from the deepest caves of our heart is an achievement. And we forgot to do that. I am here to remind you, even though you do not want to do things and you are doing it, you can still be proud of it. You can still be yourself even though when you are sad. You don't always have to be the best version of yourself. You don't always have to be happy because that is not practical. What practical is that you are sad and still you have accepted yourself. That is practical. That is something that you can do. Just be content with yourself and have the courage to accept these things as an achievement. Be courageous and accept that yes, even though you do not want to do these things, you are doing these things, and that is something. And try to find the happiness in the tiniest of things, because little things matters. I wish all the happiness in the world for you, all the contentment I'm sending along your way, and make this day, this hour, this moment, this week, this month, this year about yourself. Nobody is going to stop you, and you can be your biggest weakness or you can be your biggest strength. The choice is always yours. Bye bye.